friends of the late my wife, good afternoon. I want to thank you very much for finding time to join me and my family in mourning my best friend, the matriarch, a woman of the people, my wife, Ellen, Jovial girl, Kemunto, Mariaka. Allow me read the tribute of my two sons, Sifa and Len, and then I will also read my personal tribute of my late departed wife. If you see me shedding tears, I'm not crying. I'm okay. Allow me start with the tribute of Sifa and Len to their departed mother. Mom, you only allowed us spend 3 years and a few hours respectively with you. To us, that wasn't enough. You'd have wished more. You left unannounced. That will pain us forever. We promise to be good boys to Daddy and carry your legacy on even in your absentia. Go well, Mama. Allow me also read my personal tribute to my late wife. This is supposed to be a bad joke, right? Okay. Let me just say that I accept that it was a bad day in the office for you, Madam. How could I be that dumb to let you go before I learn any cooking skills from you? For this one, I solely blame myself for being too complacent, imagining I have a whole century with you. Classy and respectable people like you don't exit the stage like you did. No, at least you would have said a farewell. I hope you went being satisfied with how I spent life with you, Mama. Hope you went satisfied with how I treated Sifa for the 3 years you were with her. Hope you'll be satisfied with how I'll take care of Sifa and Len in your absence. Madam, let me try to fill the gap, at least for our sons. Don't hesitate to correct me in whichever way when you see any responsibility from my side. And this is my final submission, together with my sons, to you, our mom. I love you, Baba. Even at this state, Sifa, Len, and Daddy love you so very much, Mommy. Lala Salama. Thank you.
Thank you.
We will remember you. Will not forget you. Your precious memories linger.
Naomba nichukue muda huu kumwalika mchungaji wa eneo hili la uwakilishi haswa katika masuala ya
Get the point. Take a step forward.